Hey guys, at Rebel Off-Road here, we know how important it is to keep your Jeep in peak condition, especially after or before even hitting the trails. That's why we're doing a comprehensive inspection service here at Rebel Off-Road. Inspection A, we're gonna go through all of your suspension components, inspect everything, check all the nuts, all the bolts, retorque everything on the vehicle to ensure it's safe for you and your family to get out there on the road. Inspection B, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through all of your Zerk fittings and grease fittings, make sure everything is greased properly, and also go through all your fluids. Make sure everything's topped off, even your diff, all your power steering, your oil, everything. Make sure you're ready to hit the trail. Whether your Jeep is completely built or stock, it's crucial for pre and post trail runs to get your vehicle inspected. Even on this daily driver we have, as beautiful as it is and as clean as it is, we did find some minor issues that become major issues down the line if they're not addressed. Don't wait for minor issues to become major repairs. Bring it over to Rebel Off-Road and have the techs inspect this thing and make it right for you guys.